Yo, so last Tuesday was a very big day for Spotlight. We went to McDonald's to pitch for their Christmas party. Yay! Share ko lang, every pitch is actually special for us. So whenever I tell my clients, I truly appreciate you guys for inviting or considering Spotlight for this project. Pitch, bidding, awarded, yeah. So, hindi lang kasi siya actually about the slides that we're about to make. It's about creating experiences na alam namin mararamdaman ng mga tao. On the way, lagi ko iniisip, how do we make this one unforgettable? Yung mga moment na gagawin namin. Kasi syempre, alam mo na, Christmas party, dapat magical, di ba? Pagpasok sa office, whether online or in person, laging may halong kaba. At syempre, excitement. May mga moments pa nga, nalilimutan ko yung mga lines ko, tas kailangan kong charutin yung lines or spills ko. But sometimes it works, and sometimes it's the key. Kasi alam namin, whatever we're about to do, there's a chance for us to do something big. And this is what we actually do. We turn ideas into moments na hindi malilimutan. Pero ang tanong, did the pitch work?